Stop taking bad trades. This video gives you a free 3-step checklist for smarter scalping. Let's set it up in 60 seconds. On TradingView, head up to the Indicators tab and search for STD-Filtered. In the Inputs tab, change the following. Set the period to 50. Change the order to 10. Set the filter deviation to 1. And finally, change the filter period to 49. These adjustments help filter out market noise and focus on stronger price movements. A signal is useless without momentum to back it up. That's where our second indicator comes in. Go back to your indicators search and type in Decision Point Price Momentum Oscillator, or DPMO for short. Before we use it, let's clean it up so we only see what matters. In the style settings for the DPMO, uncheck everything except for the histogram and the midline. This gives us a much cleaner view. Our final indicator will act as a trend filter, our last line of defense to keep us on the right side of the market. Let's add the Smart SAR indicator to our chart. In the Inputs, make these changes. Fast EMA, 21. Slow EMA, 49. Signal SM, 9. SAR, 0.02. SAR. Step, 0.05. SR. Max, 0.02. And the SMA to 145. Next, in the Style section, we're going to disable the Smart SAR line and the Smart SAR short options to keep our chart clean. Feel free to make the plot thicker or change the color so it's easy to see. The rules are simple. For a buy signal, we need 3 confirmations. 1. The signal. Wait for the STD-Filtered indicator to print a blue L below the price. 2. The momentum. Look down at your oscillator. The histogram bars must be green and above the 0 line. This shows bullish momentum. 3. The trend. Check the Smart SAR. The price must be trading above the blue indicator line. Let's see it in action. Here we get the S signal. That's check 1. Momentum is below the 0 line. That's check 2. And the price is below the SAR line. Check 3. This confirms a high probability short entry. Your stop loss goes above the recent high. Aim for a risk to reward of 1 to 1.5. This is for educational purposes and is not financial advice. All trading involves risk. Practice any strategy before using it. If this clear, simple strategy helped you, like this video and subscribe for more.